Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website on Durable. First, navigate to the Durable AI website builder. You'll be prompted to enter your business type and location. Durable's AI will then instantly generate a complete website for you, including content and images. This initial setup takes less than 30 seconds, providing a strong foundation for your online presence. Once your site is generated, it's time to personalize it. Click on any section to edit its content, images, or layout. You can easily change your site's overall theme, colors, and fonts to match your brand. Durable offers a wide range of pre-designed sections, allowing you to add new elements like a contact form, a services list, or a photo gallery with just a few clicks. To make your website effective, focus on compelling content. Write clear, concise text that highlights your offerings. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally to improve search engine visibility. Upload high-resolution images and videos to engage your visitors. Always double-check that your contact information, such as your phone number and email, is correct and easily accessible for potential customers. After refining your site, it's time to go live. Connect your custom domain name to give your business a professional online identity. Durable also provides integrated marketing tools and analytics to help you track performance and reach more customers. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This powerful platform makes managing your online presence straightforward, allowing you to focus on growing your business with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.